Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming you're signed into your Google account because Forms saves automatically to Drive. Once done, open the Google Drive or Forms app and tap the plus or new button to create a blank form. Make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is on so uploads work. Now title the form and add a brief description so respondents know the purpose. This helps response quality and sets expectations before you add questions. You'll now add questions and choose types based on the information you need. For facts, use short answer. For choices, use multiple choice or checkboxes. Once you add a question, make it required if the answer is essential, and use sections to split long forms into digestible parts. Make sure to attach images or videos where context helps, and use the three-dot menu for validation and question duplication to speed up repeated items. Finish by previewing the form to test navigation and validations, because what looks right in edit mode can behave differently for respondents. Once satisfied, tap Send to share via link, email, or social. Make sure response collection settings match your needs, such as restricting to account or allowing edits. Finally, monitor the Responses tab and export to Google Sheets for analysis. If responses stop appearing, refresh Drive, check account sign-in, and confirm form isn't accidentally archived.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.